So this is going to be just reversing the process of logarithm expansion. So there were a bunch of rules for logarithm expansion. One of them was that the log of a times b equals the log of a plus log of b. And so we can see that that rule here is happening, and we got to do it in reverse. But there's another rule that I see involved too. The log of a base to a power can become x times that log of the base. This is the rule where the power comes down in front. I just noticed that we have a number in front, so we're going to want to reverse that rule too. So let's see if we can do it. First thing I'll do is I'll bring the 2 back up top and bring the 4 into a exponent as well. So this can be rewritten then as ln 7 to the 2 plus ln 2 to the 4. Okay, now I'm going to use the first rule here. Because we have an addition of logs, we can bring them together into one log. There we go. So if you have 2 logs that are separated, you can combine them into one log where the things are right next to each other. Then we can just do these multiplications. So 7 squared is 49. 2 to the 4th is 16. It's ln of 784. Write as a single logarithm. All right, that's challenging. First thing I'll do is let's bring that 6 up top. I notice that our bases don't match. So let's try to change the base to make them match. We could use change of base formula. If I want to change this guy's base, let's say, into a 5, I'll do the log of base of my choice divide by a log of the base that they had put there. All right, so that's just change of base formula. The point is that I didn't like the 1/5, so I introduced a log of my choice so that it matched with this guy, and I just divide by the log of the base that I didn't want. Okay. Now that I have that, we want to get that 5 somehow into a log 5 form. We could do a log base 5 of 5. The reason I bring that up is because it's like 5 to the what makes 5? That would be a 1. 5 to the 1 makes 5. So now I have that. I could bring this 5 up top then. Now you might think about like how to get rid of this. 5 to the what makes 1/5? Well, that's nothing more than a negative 1. Log 5 of 1/5 is negative 1. And you could do that on calculator, but you got to do change of base. So log of 1/5 divided by log of 5, negative 1. Okay. So I would now have that. And now because I have, well, first let me just get rid of that negative 1, make it a little easier. This is cool because I have all log base 5s. So I can use the rule of combining them into one log. So